This is my customized Mirico bike check. Alright, we're going to get started with the front rim. I just got this new purple cinema front rim for $100 for Christmas this year. I got some Fitbite Co. Fat tires, a stock stem, some purple bolts in there, Van Colt grips, Shadow Conspiracy bar ends, some bars that my friend just gave me, the stock Mirico frame, Mr. B sticker. I got some duo pedals, a Black Ops sprocket, a half-length purple chain, some Fitbite Co. Tires in the back. I got just a ramp back rim, and I just got a stock seat up here, stock post and everything in there. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Just comment, subscribe on whatever, or comment on whatever. Alright, see you later.